we have to go through simple interest. Okay, we have to go through simple interest. For this, we have a interest calculated on the original money at the given rate for a given time. It is the interest calculated at given rate for given time. Okay, so interest calculated. So what this actually means? Like you are said, you have lended a principal of is rupees 10,000. Rate was 11% per annum, and time period was you lended money for 2 years per annum. This point is very important. Okay, per annum. Like now what we have to do, we have to calculate the interest for 2 years. So interest means simple interest, this SI. Okay, simple interest can also be written as SI. This means that I said that interest was equals to principal into rate percent upon 100. Okay, if we will solve this, what will we get? We will get rate percent principal into 11 upon 100. So we will get 1100, means this 11 was for 1 year. Okay, this 11 was for 1 year, and we have to calculate for 2 years. So what we will do, we will multiply time to it. Like here I said, you have to calculate the interest at 10% per annum. See, so interest came out to be rupees 100 for 1 year, and if you have to find the interest for 2 years, so it will be multiplied by 2. It will come as 200. For 1 year it is 100, so 2 years it will be 200. Okay, like it is the total interest. The first year interest was 100 on 1000, and the second year interest was 1000 on 1000 is also 100. So what will be total interest? 100 plus 100, that is 200, or 100 into 2. In the same way here, this was the interest for 1 year. Principal into rate, rate is for 1 year. Per annum means for 1 year. For 1 year, 11% for 1 year, and we have to find for 2 years. So we'll just multiply it with time. So simple interest formula comes out to be principal into rate into time upon 100. This is the formula for principal, means simple interest. Okay, this formula will be used in whole first exercise. So what will be simple interest in this question? It will be P. P is principal. Principal is rupees. Principal is 10,000. Okay. Rate is 11%. Time is 2 years upon 100. Okay. 11 into 2 is 22. 22 into 100 is 2200 rupees. This is the simple interest. And if we have to find the amount was equals to P plus SI. What is P? P is principal. This principal can be written as P. This is R and this is T. Remember, this is T. This is P. This is amount. This is R. Okay. So PRT upon 100, P into R into T upon 100. So principal is 10,000 plus 2200. Amount comes out to be rupees 12,200. Okay, clear? So class, until now we had gone through the formula, simple interest is equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. Yeah, this is rate percent, and this time is in years, and this rate is in year. Okay, so if we keep principal here and take this 100 is in divider, it will go in multiply with simple interest. Okay, and if we keep principal here itself, we are not moving principal, and rate is in multiply will come in divide, time is also in multiply will come in divide. So this formula can also be written in this way. So we got a formula for principal equals to simple interest into 100 upon rate into time. Okay, or if we keep rate there and move everything else, so we'll get upon principal into time. You can write this as SI into 100 upon R into T. This is SI into 100 upon P into T. Next is time. Okay, so time can be written as SI into 100 into principal into rate, that is SI into 100 upon P into R. And one more formula we got for amount. Amount was equals to P plus SI. Here P plus SI can be written as P into R into T upon 100. If you see P and P is common here, taking P as common means principal 1 plus R into T upon 100. This is equals to amount. Okay. This is formula for amount, this is for time, this is for rate, this is for principal, this is for simple interest. We got a few formulas for it.